Audley should have known. Peter Phillips says the finance minister's comment about the energy fund is not the full story. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the opposition leader says she's not afraid of the press.
Residents run off with groceries after a truck overturned.
And in the Business Day, primary surplus off target.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in the Primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
In an interview today, opposition leader Portia Simpson-Miller said she's not afraid of interviews, but simply has not been asked. What's your reaction to that assertion?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.